Our students today live in a visual world.
Both gifted and students with learning disabilities benefit from being able to express what they know visually. This is a very different world than the world that our parents and grandparents grew up in. As we connect with our students, we need to recognize that it's not just rocket science. The iPad and other related technology can help. At my school, we purchased 150 iPads beginning very shortly after they were introduced in 2011. The transition to mobile learning has made a significant difference both in my classroom practice and in the lives of my students. Sonic Picks is one app that we use for project-based learning. The ideas that I will share come primarily from Tony Vincent. I learned about project-based learning using mobile technology initially from his blog called Learning in Hand. Based in Arizona, Tony Vincent came to our school in Florida to speak to our teachers and to do some training. The training has allowed teachers to collaborate as they become experts in project-based learning using mobile technology. Students are natural collaborators. I've found the middle school classroom to be a great place to implement project-based learning, particularly in groups. Though this strategy can be very helpful, it's critical to be wise. iPads are very engaging. Even when things get dark and confusing, my students persevere because they enjoy the format. They enjoy problem-based learning with the iPad. If we are doing a microscopy unit, for example, students can use the microscope and then simply put an iPhone or an iPad up to the scope and capture an image like this, which is an image that one of my students captured and then emailed me. This is another example from the same unit. When students show me what they know, they have the freedom to use technology like screencasting to do that. Their projects can take many forms. One of them is the Sonic Pick app that I mentioned. Another one could be Keynote, as in this example. When students have new experiences, they capture them digitally, and then they use technology to show me what they know. The result is that all students, both learning disabled and gifted, thrive in this new visual world. I believe that iPad technology is the real answer to how to reach both populations in the same classroom, and I have found it to be very effective. Project-based learning with iPads will provide us with a new tool for meeting the needs of all students, and that is good for everyone.